The entire point of the Funnel Hacker Lab membership is to make your business as successful as possible. Over here at Funnel Hacker Labs, we have this mantra: automate, elevate, and then liberate, guys. We're gonna have all the tools that you're gonna need to make sales just overall stupid easy. First things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up your own custom funnel, in which case you're gonna have direct chat access with your funnel designer, because we're gonna give you a free funnel just on demand. We make these within 24 to 48 hours. And if that's not enough for you, make sure you check out the funnel library. We have a massive 400-page funnel library, and you're also gonna get access to a white label design on demand. Yeah, that's right, you heard that right. You can white label our design on demand team. We're not making any money off of it. You're just paying the cost for the design on demand team. It's almost like you have your own white label design on demand team. Cool, next one we have is AI chatbot. Over here at Funnel Hacker Labs, we want to stay on top of trends. So what we do is we set up an AI chatbot for your business that's going to speak on behalf of you, as behalf of a sales representative on your business. And we can even train it to speak with the exact tonality that you have so that it talks as if it is you. So we're going to train this AI chatbot to pre-qualify people, schedule up appointments, upsell, downsell, the works, guys. And what we can even do is we're going to show you how to even have an AI chatbot do the selling for you, okay? Next thing that we have is the actual entire CRM, guys, Client Relation Manager, a way to be able to handle the entire back end of your business so you can automate it and finally add some predictability into your income. Great, guys. Now I got the CRM, making sure that everything is automated, systematic, so we can finally start elevating your business. What we're going to do now is we're going to start boosting those socials. What we just released is the social booster. What that's going to allow you to do is allow you to add social proof to your social media platforms. For example, like followers, likes, Google My Business reviews, all that, so that when you run ads, you're running traffic, your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube is going to look a lot more active because it has a lot more followers. Just think about it. Who would you rather buy from? A guy that has 1,000 followers or a guy that has 10,000, 100,000 followers? We're going to make that really easy for you. Great, guys. We got the funnel. We got the AI chatbot. We got the CRM to handle the entire back end of your business. We got the social media booster. Next thing we're going to do is give you the entire A to Z training on how to get clients organically and also through paid ads. What we're going to do is we're going to make ads stupid easy for you so that you can have no issues running ads to your social media profiles to get more conversions, to get more appointments, whatever you need to do. Matter of fact, we have a secret trick that's actually, and you see the screenshot over here, brought one of our credit repair businesses. I mean, this system works for every niche, but brought one of our credit repair businesses from 0 to 600,000 in only 7 months. And now, guys, 2 years time, it's over $2 million. We've used this exact strategy. We're going to be teaching you guys right now. What you're also going to get from as well too is every week we do strategy sessions, live strategy sessions, in which you can hop on a call, ask for advice, whatever you need help with, we're going to be there for you. Finally, just to make the offer just ultimately sweeter, is a private support chat, in which case on Discord, you can always just contact us. If you need advice, you'll be like, hey, Blade, I need a rapid cash injection strategy. What do I do? I need some equity really quick. I need some capital really quick. Great. I'm going to give you the exact advice, or one of my other marketing experts will give you some advice on what you should do next to really just bring in some more revenue. Whatever you guys need, whatever problem you guys have, we're going to help you salute that. Because over here at Funnel Hacker Labs, we truly believe overall, the more money we make you, ultimately will end up coming back and more money that we'll be making. So once again, guys, we want to help you elevate, automate, and then liberate you from your business, guys. Automate, elevate, liberate, guys. Click the link down below, guys. Do not hesitate on becoming a Funnel Hacker Lab member. And if you guys need to hop on a AI funnel mapping session, in which case I'm gonna hop on a call, or another guy just like me is gonna hop on a call and show you exactly what you need to do to scale your business without that stress of having some sort of sales call. So from here, guys, you have two options really to go. First option is you can join the Funnel Hacker Lab membership, in which case we're gonna give you everything you need to do to just overall make funnel sales easy so that you can automate, elevate, and liberate. And also the other option you have over here is an AI funnel mapping session, in which case we'll show you exactly what to do for you to scale your business, guys. Don't hesitate, don't miss out on this opportunity because it's very limited, and we don't want to oversaturate this offer with just having so many people. So this offer is not going to be out for too long, guys. Make sure you hop on it right now. Do not hesitate if you finally want to automate, elevate, and liberate yourself in your business. I'll talk to you guys later. It's Blade signing off, and I'll see you in that funnel mapping session, or every Sunday we have a strategy session. See you there. Peace.